वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज संडे का दिन है और संडे थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए रिलैक्स का दिन भी होता है। और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये होता है कि मान लो आज संडे है तो खूब सारा पढ़ेंगे, खूब तैयारी करेंगे, और कोई जो कसर रह गई है उसको वीकेंड पे पूरा करेंगे। तो दोनों तरह की बातें हो सकती हैं। तो आज आपका संडे ऊर्जावान रहे, आप अच्छे से तैयारी कर पाएँ। और आज हम लाइव करने वाले थे डिक्टेशंस के लिए, तो किसी टेक्निकल कारण की वजह से वो लाइव नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो मैं आज आपको रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में डिक्टेशन दे रहा हूँ फेस कैम के साथ, ताकि आप लिख पाएँ डिक्टेशंस को, आज संडे का भरपूर लाभ ले पाएँ और अपनी तैयारी को और स्ट्रॉन्ग कर पाएँ। और अगर आपको कोई भी किसी भी तरह की दिक्कत, चैलेंज, प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कोई डाउट आ रहा है, तो निसंकोच होके आप पूछते रहें, ताकि जब तक आप पूछेंगे नहीं तब तक आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएँगे। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लिखते हैं डिक्टेशन, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लेकिन पूछते कभी नहीं हैं। उनको कोई डाउट भी आ रहा हो तो वो अपने हिसाब से उसको मैनेज कर लेते हैं। लेकिन अगर आपको कोई डाउट आए तो पूछते रहें। क्या पता कौन सा स्टूडेंट आपसे बेहतर कर रहा हो और वो कमेंट बॉक्स में आके आपको कुछ नया सुझाव दे दे, या कुछ कोई जानकारी मेरे माध्यम से आपको मिल जाए जिससे आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में सफल हो पाएँ। तो चलिए डिक्टेशन लिखते हैं। ये डिक्टेशन दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के लिए रहेगी और स्पीड लगभग 110 की रहेगी। थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएशन भी हो सकता है। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। This is an application under Section 9 within bracket 2 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, requesting this court to hold that the applicant who is a convict for committing offences under sections 302, 342, 397, 449, read with 120B and 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 was a juvenile on the date of commission of the offence. Stop. Simultaneous prayer of the applicant is for his release from custody on the ground of having served more than the maximum punishment permissible under the Act. Stop. The applicant has been sentenced to death by the Additional Sessions Judge, Pune, by a judgment and order dated 19 February 1998 and 23 February 1998 respectively. Stop. This application has been taken out in connection with a petition for review of the order by which his conviction and sentence was sustained by this court after confirmation by the High Court. Stop. The review petition of the applicant was also dismissed on 24th November 2000. Stop. The applicant, along with two other offenders, Jeetu and Raju, were tried for commission of offences under the aforesaid provisions of the 1860 Code. Stop. The applicant had not raised the plea of juvenility at the trial or the appellate stage. Stop. In the trial court said Raju had turned approver and was tendered pardon. Stop. Both the judgment of conviction and order of sentence were confirmed by the High Court on 22nd July 1999 in the appeal of the applicant, as also in the confirmation proceedings. Stop. The appeal against the judgment of conviction and order of death sentence made by the applicant was dismissed by this court on 5th September 2000. Para. The offence of the applicant is no doubt gruesome in nature. Stop. On 26 August 1994, as per the prosecution case sustained by all the judicial fora, including this court, the applicant, along with the two other accomplices, had committed murder of 5 women, one of whom was pregnant, and 2 children. Stop. The offence took place at Pune in the state of Maharashtra. Stop. The applicant was arrested on 5th September 1994 from his home village and is in detention for more than 28 years. Stop. Though the offence was committed at Pune, the applicant claims to hail from Jalabsar in Shri Dungargarh Tehsil, at present in Bikaner district, Rajasthan. Stop. It is from there he was arrested. Stop. He was tried as Narayan Chetan Ram Chaudhary. Stop. His plea before us is that his actual name is Nirna Ram stop in the inquiry report, which we shall deal with later in this judgment. There is observation to the effect that people in Pune, Maharashtra might find it difficult to pronounce Nirna Ram, and there is possibility of pronunciation mistake to call Nirna Ram as Narayan in Pune. Stop. The said tehsil was earlier in the district of Churu, but in the year 2001 it came within the Bikaner district. Stop. Date of occurrence of the offence is 26 August 1994, and the charge sheet submitted against the applicant showed his age to be about 20 years at the time of commission of the offence. Stop. The applicant's claim of juvenility is primarily based on a certificate of date of birth issued on 30th January 2019 in the name of Nirna Ram, son of Chetan Ram. Stop. The said certificate has been issued by the प्रधानाचार्य हेडमास्टर राजकीय आदर्श ऊंचा माध्यमिक विद्यालय जलबसर श्री डूंगरगढ़. Stop. In the said document it is recorded that Nirna Ram was born on 1st February 1982 in a transfer certificate by the same authority issued on 15th August 2001. It is reflected that he had joined the school in class 1st on 1st April. Stop.